I'm doing example 2, chapter quadrilateral, class 9. In this question, we have to show that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. That means we have to show any of these angle as 90 degree, maybe this, or this, right? That's what we need to show here. That is, we need to show this line, say AC, this line AC is perpendicular to BC, right? So for that, we are going to use the concepts of congruency here. Now, what we are, the triangles which I'm going to consider is one this and the other this, right? But before doing this, what you should know that in a rhombus, all sides are equal. All sides of a rhombus are equal. So let's see, we'll be writing in triangle. The triangle here is one is AOD and the other triangle taken here is triangle DOC, or you may write COD. In these two triangles, first I'm writing here the side AD is equal to DC. Clearly, this AD is equal to DC because these are sides of rhombus and the sides of rhombus are equal, right? These are all sides of rhombus. Now, once we have written AD is equal to DC, now we can also see that there is one common side, that is DO. So DO is equal to OD, and that is common side. Now, in the third part, you should know that rhombus is a type of parallelogram and diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, I can write that AO is equal to OC. Right? We can write AO is equal to OC. And the reason, as I said, the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, and rhombus being a parallelogram, its diagonals should also bisect each other. So what we have proved, therefore, we can write these two triangle congruent. That is, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. And I have used congruency condition as side, side, side. Once we have proved all the sides, triangle congruent, we can write these angles as equal. From CPCT, we can write its angles. From CPCT, I can write this angle being equal to this angle. So I'll be writing here, that is angle AOD is equal to angle DOC, and that is from CPCT. Now further, as I can see that these two angles are supplementary from linear pair. As you can see, they are forming a straight line. These two angles together is forming a straight line. Therefore, we can use linear pair. Further, from here, we know that these two angles are equal. So let AOD be AOD. I can replace DOC with AOD only because these are equal angles from here. As you can see, these angles are equal. These angles are equal, so I can replace AOD with DOC with AOD, and that is equal to 180 degree. Further, AOD plus AOD will be twice angle AOD, and that is equal to 180 degree. And then angle AOD is equal to 180 over 2, that is 90 degree. So we got this angle as 90 degree. And that is what it represents. Therefore, we can say, therefore, AC is perpendicular to BD. This is what we need to prove in this question.